Chair of the program, professors, experts, scholars, and presenters, teachers, students, and all the participants of this program. It's a great pleasure and an honor for this opportunity of being the chief guest in Maths Conference organized by Pi Day, the International Mathematics Day. I owe my thanks to the Imperial World School for organizing such an important event this very auspicious day for we mathematics, education community, and all others who use mathematics in their lives. Such program creates awareness, popularization of mathematics in one hand, on other hand, brings new development trends and the contemporary issues of mathematics education in the world as well as in our own context. I knew from the program schedule that esteemed scholars and professors are delivering keynote speech, presentation on current topics of mathematics education and the need of 21st century mathematics. Mathematics education, pedagogy and assessment system, a complete package of mathematics education in Nepal and abroad too. I believe this program will enlighten as well as to some extent capacity of us to examine critically where we are and where we need to go regarding mathematics education in Nepal. Still, there is a big debate on content versus pedagogy, mathematics versus technology, and teaching versus learning connected to mathematics education in Nepal and abroad. Our focus should be on content with pedagogy, mathematics with technology, and teaching with learning for making mathematics education program relevant to 21st century. This century demands problem solvers, critical thinkers, collaborative works for addressing the world human problem and developing new science and technology for present and future generation. Mathematics is still a sophisticated discipline and also a language and tools for the development of other field of study ranging from social science to hard science and technologies. It is therefore important to improve our overall mathematics education from school to university. I do not like to talk more about theories and the philosophies, which I know less about, but want to share what I synthesized from years of my teaching, research, and practices of mathematics from school to higher level. I engage in curriculum planning, developing resource materials, textbook writing, teacher training, and higher level mathematics research. My syntheses are: educators and teachers are aware of how to teach and what to teach, but not fully successful in action and making reflections on the action for professional development. Sometimes I do see correct and student-friendly delivery of contents in course of teaching that ultimately hindering learning mathematics. Pedagogies and theories we talk about here are most Western driven and borrowed, but the context and culture, what we call now epistemology, is quite different. For instance, we talk about group work. We are not active in group work. It is because of our cultural way of learning from learned persons. It is necessary to design group work pattern different than the one done in Western context. It is necessary to develop contextualized and theorized pedagogical models fit for our context and culture which is a shortcoming I observed. I may be wrong, but this is my observation based on synthesis. We all love much on content of mathematics, less on pedagogy. Indirectly, even the mathematics education faculties and students, interesting now, mathematicians are interested in pedagogy and conducting training to the teachers, but those training seems like content training rather than training for making learning on the part of the students. Personally, I am convinced that meaningful understanding of the content is important for using pedagogy, better to ensuring learning on the students. Therefore, our training is not working well in schools. My realization and focus now is on do what you say, make reflection and improve yourself. Every time training by a big personality is not a solution. Make networking and collaboration for sharing the best practices. Today's program will inspire us for making mathematics education effective in all respects, such as we are going to discuss on STEAM, technology, integration, hands-on activities, assessment, and 21st century pedagogy. Thank you for your attention. Finally, I would like to thank for Imperial World School for organizing this program and giving me this opportunity of sharing a few experiences. Jai Pi Day, Jai Mathematics.